Hello, hello. I'd like to share a way of using Whoosh with live input. A lot of sound designers use the plugin, but not many people talk about using it this way. So let's change that. The first thing we're going to do is open Reactor and make sure that you open the reactor as a VST, and otherwise it's not going to work. The first thing I'm going to do is set up these input sources as user. So the next thing, you're going to click Edit, click on Whoosh, click on Source and Mix, right click, Structure, and here what you want to do is right click, Built-in Module, Terminal, and Import. And we want to go ahead and create 8 of those. So I'm just going to duplicate this real quick. And the next thing, you're going to want to select the port. So we're going to do ports 1 through 8. Now these are going to be routed to the mix port. Goes 1 into 1 right, 3 to 2 left, 4 to 2 right, and so on. All right, perfect. So when we have that done, just go ahead and go back to Whoosh here, and we're going to do the same thing here. Import, create 8 of those. These are already in the correct order, so all we're going to do is connect them here. Cool. Once that's done, I'm going to go back to panel. The next thing for us to do is to set up 8 channels. We don't need all of these. All we need is just track 1 and 2. Cool. Now you're just going to want to route the channel, the track channel here. This is going to be going to 1 and 2. This is going to be 3 and 4. 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. All right. Let's see if that actually works. Because my computer decided to crash in the middle of the previous video, we're going to pick it up from where we left off. So everything is set up now. Let's see if it works. Oh, also, to be able to control this, you might want to switch to host and manual and have your MIDI controller set up. So this thing right here, you can actually use your modulation wheel to scroll through this. And let's see how it kind of sounds. Hit play. And that's sort of the gist of it. From here on out, you might want to save this. So we're gonna go ahead, click save. It's gonna ask if you want to save it in the ensembles. I already have mine saved called live in, so I'm not gonna do that again. And the next thing to do is to set up this whole thing as a track template. So we're gonna go to track. If you're in Reaper, save tracks as template. Again, I already have this saved, so I'm not going to do that. You can go ahead and rename it to whatever you like. and once it's saved, you can just pull it up anytime. The benefit of doing this with Reaper is that not only you can have each like a different effect in each track. You can set the say to a free item positioning, and all of a sudden you can drop in another track, which you can't really do in the standard version of Whoosh if you're just using the built-in preset. The downside of this is that you're losing the functionality of choosing different synth engines once you're in Whoosh. But if you want, you can still, instead of this thing right here, you can load up an instance of Whoosh and just whoosh the whoosh, if you will. So it's really up to you. Just have fun with it. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Bye.